Alright guys, today I'm going to show you a video of how I got doorbell wire to a location that either doesn't have doorbell wire or the doorbell wire got damaged. In my case, the existing doorbell wire got damaged. I used longer screws from my deadbolt, and when I did longer screws into my door jamb here, it cut into the existing doorbell wire. So I made it so it quit working. So what I did was I cut the doorbell wire, I used a big drill bit, and I drilled into my door frame here. I don't know, about an inch, half an inch. And then as you can see in there, this is just Cat 5 wire. I got a Cat 5 in there, or Cat 5E. I used 2 pairs to make it a little bbit thicker. I stripped them back and I just twisted them together here. But the way I got this wire in here was, you see this tracking here on my vinyl siding? I drilled into the door frame, and then I took my drill. I don't know if you can see that. You probably can't. Hold on. If the damn thing would focus. It's hard. It was easy. There you go. You can kind of see it. Right there. I took my drill bit and I drilled a hole into here. So I took my Cat 5 and I ran it through that hole. And when it went in there, I took needle nose and I pulled it out to me. So what I did was I tucked the Cat 5 in this track right here, all the way down. You can actually see this Cat 5 right here. I tucked it in this tracking. Now this trick will only work if you have vinyl siding and this tracking next to your door. And then it actually, if I can camera work, it's probably going upside down on you guys, sorry. Vertigo. But I drilled into my crawl space here with a masonry drill bit. I actually need to silicone that. And it goes into my crawl space and it pops up in my laundry room, and I ran it on the inside of a corner up to my transformer. And I use this one here from Lowe's. It's a 24 volt transformer. I just connected it to here. It's multi-volt. You got 8 volt and 16 volt, and then this transformer here just connects to your regular 120 house voltage. And then here's my G4 doorbell that I'm hooking up. This one here, I actually had I had the RMA, the old one, because it won't power up, and they just sent me a brand new one. But if you don't have thermostat wire, if you don't have doorbell wire and you got this vinyl siding, tuck it in this vinyl siding, and then you can take a drill bit at an angle and you can drill into there. I don't know if you can see a little bit from where my drill's at. You just gotta be careful. And then you can drill up at an angle into this here, and then just pull out your Cat 5 and you got doorbell wire again. This is my old mount from my old doorbell. That's why it's up here. So I'm gonna hook this new doorbell up and I'll show you guys the finished product. But all I had to do was tuck it in this track, and then I just drilled into my crawl space and I popped it up from my laundry room. But I'll show you guys the finished product once I get this hooked up here. It's fairly simple. It's just got 2 screws on the back. You wrap the wires around. Alright guys, this is after I got the wires wrapped around. I wrapped it around in a clockwise motion, both of them. So that way when you turn the screw, it actually pulls the wire onto the screw. And then I'm going to try to do this one-handed here, shoving these wires into this hole here. I don't know if I can do it one-handed and record, but essentially you just hook up the top here. And then you, once you hook up the top on this doorbell, if I can camera work, you just press it in, make sure none of the wires are, pinched back there. And then you press on the bottom, and then there's the finished install. And of course I got the power off right now, that's why it's not working. But on the bottom, if you ever need to remove it, you just stick something in that little hole right there, and you can pull it off. Actually, I don't even know if this is on there. Yeah, it's on there. There's a little bit of a gap, but she's on there. But I'm gonna get the power turned on and hook this up. But I hope you guys like the video. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you don't have thermostat wire and you got siding like this next to your door, you can always tuck the wire in the siding and you won't even see it. Like, you can't even see mine. It just looks like a doorbell here. But I hope you guys like the video. Go ahead and like and subscribe.